Oh, guys, this is beautiful, man. Oh, you can taste that heat of ginger, fresh ginger in there, banging, heating up your body, you know. Oh, I really enjoy this drink, man. With this carrot juicer, with this juicer, fruit juicer, you can juice tomatoes, onions, any fruits, any vegetables, spinach leaves, anything you want to juice, it can juice it for you. Any fruits, all kinds of fruits, all kinds of vegetable, that machine can do it for you. You know you are drinking healthy, organic juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, whatever juice, banana juice. Combine anything you fancy and you get a beautiful drink. And keep subscribing to this channel. Hit that big notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. You will be the first to get there and give me a big thumbs up and leave your encouragement comments below the comment box. You who is new to this channel, please, I beg of you, subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And thank you. And God bless you all for your support and your love. Remain blessed and take care. Keep drinking juice, healthy juice. Okay? And bye, guys. Thank you. Guys, hello. How we all doing? I hope we all are keeping well. Guys, I appreciate all of you for your massive support. Okay? Thank you so much for your support, for your contribution, for your love. Today, I want to tell you guys, I'm gonna show you how I juice out carrot juice from the carrots with the juice extractor. There are various kinds of juice extractor. Okay, this is the one my money can afford, so I bought it. Okay, guys, so this is the carrot. This is my carrot, already washed and peeled. Yeah, with carrot peeler. That is my fresh lemon juice, and that is my fresh ginger. So I'm going to be bringing out the juice of the ginger and the fresh lemon as well into my carrot juice. Okay, keep your eye on it. I said before, this particular juicer, you can use to juice cucumber, carrot, tomato, anything. If you want to drink fresh juice, organic juice, okay? So what this one does is, you have to chop everything in pieces before you put it in here and juice out the water. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, guys? So it's nearly done now, guys. Okay? If you drink this every day or every other day, guys, you will see your skin, gloomy skin, bright skin. Your health will like change, you know. It will help you to lose your weight, have a brighter eyesight, you know. People will be asking, oh, what cream do you use? Oh, you look fresh, you look healthy. Your hair is gloomy. What do we know? Your hair is like glow. You know, what do you use? Guys, it's only carrot juice I drink, organic carrot juice. Not the one you buy in the packet from the supermarket. Do your own juice, okay, guy? All the other juice extractor, it's not like not one is easy anyway. No juice extractor, juicer that is easy anyway. This is the cup where it's gonna go. So I'm gonna empty this one now because it's full now. Look, can you see it? It's full. This is organic, you know, carrot juice with fresh ginger and fresh lemon. You know, if you drink this twice in a week, my guy, you are living a healthy life. You won't have any problem. Your immune system is boosted, you know. Carrot juice there. Okay, can you see it? So I'm gonna squeeze in lemon juice. I didn't blend the lemon juice water because I want to use the shaft to do carrot fufu tonight. You see the juice goes in there. The fresh lemon juice goes in there. Look at it. Yeah? So I'm going to stir it. Oh, this is yummy, guys. guys, this is the chaff that come out from the carrot. I just blend. Okay, I'm gonna use this to do carrot fufu. You can use this to do carrot cake. You can use this to do carrot puff puff. You can use this to do anything you want to do. Okay, but tonight I'm using this one to do carrot fufu. Carrot fufu with blended oatmeal. Carrot fufu, okay, with blended oatmeal. I'm gonna use all this to do. I'm not chucking them away. These are fiber, very good for your health. This help you to open up your bowel. This help you to go to toilets easily, not stressing, not pushing. Okay, that is my carrot juice, organic carrot juice. That is pure carrot juice. It's not what you get from the supermarket. This is your DIY at home carrot juice. This is healthy. This is very, very powerful. Contains the natural vitamins, nutrients, antitoxin. It has anti-aging property. It has everything you know carrot does to your health. This is carrot juice, okay? Homemade carrot juice. There's no trick in this one. This is pure carrots. Get the carrot from the supermarket, peel the skin off, get any juicer, machine juicer. There are cheap ones here. Where I reside, you can see the one for 12 quid, 15, 18, 20 quid. Depends, you know.